Hi everybody! So just checking in here. It's almost spring here at UCI, so it's getting a little bit warmer, still a little bit chilly. I just wanted to let you guys know how my year has been going, my senior year, the last one. So it's been really fun in my classes. I've been doing a lot more specialization in environmental engineering, definitely more in water resources, been taking some courses in wastewater treatment and hydrology. So it's been really cool to see the real world applications and be doing those projects at least kind of that are more relevant to what I'll be working in the future in my career. So for winter break, I had a really fun time going to the East Coast. It was actually my first time. It was super cold, but I really enjoyed getting to see different cities and just traveling around a bit. So that was pretty cool. Escape the California life for a hot second. And for next quarter, I'm just really excited to start looking for jobs and really getting myself out there to look for my future career. And at the moment, it's just more enjoying my time that I have here left at UCI and really hanging out with my friends and just getting ready to graduate. I'll see you guys later.